talk for a second about polishing. Finishing and polishing, which is something that's so important, and it comes at the end of the procedure when we're kind of tired and we've been working for an hour on something and now we need to polish it. And it's in so many ways the most important part, because the final finish, the final polish, is one of the main things about a restoration that will determine its longevity. Because the shinier it is, the smoother it is, the less bacteria will adhere to it, the less friction it will experience when it's being used, and it's super important. I use the NeoShine Polishers for a couple of specific reasons. The main one is that they're single patient use again, because when you use a polisher on composite or whether you're using it on ceramic, after a short period of time, it becomes degraded even more than the diamonds or the carbides will. You know, some of the material is worn away in the process of using it. It's getting all kinds of mess on it from your procedure, and after that, I don't see how you can even sterilize or clean that and make it work. It's really meant to be used once, and most of these types of polishers are sold to be used multiple times, and the NeoShines are not. They're meant to be used once and thrown away. They work very nicely. There are two grits, two finishes. One is a satin and one is a more high polished for that mirror finish you want on your composites when they're done, or your ceramic restorations. You know, I always think at the very end of the procedure that am I done yet? Am I done yet? And you got to get that polish just right, because that's like the finishing touch on everything. If you don't get that right, half of the other work that we did is not even going to matter. And so spend a lot more time thinking about finishing and polishing, and consider using single patient use polishers, because you're going to get a much better result.